So how do we clean, repair your clogged or muffled earpiece, small speaker if you're having trouble? So this is liquid, we call them IPA or 100% of alcohol, which we use basically to clean your our products, especially related to phones and stuff. So I've just dropped a few drops on it, and then I take a brush and start cleaning it. Basically, is this small airpiece has been clogged because of dust, airwax, and particles. So once it's clean, you should be able to use it normal. If it's not, then watch my second video.